If you're new to programming, you should watch this course from start to finish. The class follows a linear path. Therefore, I'd suggest you go through every section, as skipping any parts of this material may make other parts of the course difficult to understand. Here's a brief roadmap of what's covered in the upcoming chapters. We start by clarifying some fundamental programming-related concepts. Then, I'll give you instructions to set up the development environment required to follow and implement the coding examples. In the following chapters, we're going to delve into programming. We start with the basics and gradually build up the knowledge required to understand more advanced programming concepts. Throughout this course, I'll be using Python code examples. These examples are straightforward, and I explain everything thoroughly. Entering the code and running it yourself is the most efficient way to learn the presented concepts. You may make some mistakes as you type the code, but don't worry. The more you practice coding, the easier it becomes. And let me share a little secret with you. Even seasoned developers make mistakes. To err is human, but to really foul things up, you need a computer. Alright, let's dig in.